Shubor Nakaslem Jong Unong San Hima.
Please
to meet
reply.
Because I'm
if
just
you are
an
serious
enemy.
about ILP, how many
I know
times
you
have
are not serious
How many
in
times have you
tackling.
met?
If you are
How many
serious,
times have you met?
If you are serious,
How many
if
times
you
have you
go to
met?
Delhi, really serious.
How
If you
many
are serious,
times
go
have
to
you met?
Delhi.
Uba Ardent Basayamod Ubade UMLA Kanongkram constituency, but President ka Voice of the People Party, Ulatet Miej Hadien Baklajur ka Jingïania hapding Uba Conrad Sangma Menteri Rangba ka Jila, but buat sa Uba Prestone Tensong Simbut Menteri Rangba Halor ka Jingkali, Halor ka Inaline Permit. Uba Ardent Ulaong baka Sorkar Jila kam Shimkhya ban pen ulong yak ILP, but haba Conrad Ula Jubab Ulaong baka Sorkar kalalet yakindu bunsian Narendra Modi Menteri Rangba adu kari badi Menteri Kampo Yeng Amit Shah hendai kane kalapen khlot Uba Ardent namar Conrad Ulaong bakat no sien kiliang persha kilalet bud dien yak ILP sha Delhi haba kilayanya ulam phang ulapen wa shipor kambash permanent yak dorbar ban penjai jai yak jingya khlot.
Sir, in the course of the reply, the Chief Minister has replied, and according to his explanation, sir, we can understand, we can come to the conclusion that the government is not at all serious with the issue of ILP. Sir, let me justify and substantiate. The government is examining. When the government is examining, the ILP that means it is a continuous process. How long it will take? And this very house had passed a resolution. When was the resolution passed? Till today, we are yet to see the light of the day, sir. You give me time because this is very
I've given
important.
so much time.
But
already
let me
37
express,
minutes.
sir, the problem that we are facing. Why the state wants ILP? Let all here be clear. Why the state wants ILP? Because the contribution to the influx into the state of Meghalaya doesn't come only from the foreigners. It comes from outsiders outside the state of Meghalaya. So, which is why we feel that ILP is the best mechanism. Whether you like it or not, this Immigration and Foreigners Act 2025 will be made applicable because this, as has been rightly said by the leader of the House, is not a new law. It is only a modernization where India has adopted by consolidating 4 colonial era laws. So this is not a new law. This law was not made to prevent the influx in Meghalaya. This law was made to tackle the foreigners coming to India. So we are facing a very peculiar situation where the influx contributing to the state of Meghalaya comes from the foreign country and also from other states of India.
Your question, please.
So which is why even the constitution, because they used to say no, it violates the constitution, Article 19, freedom to travel to any part. So my question is that, my question is that I would like, a sincere reply from the government, whether the government is playing with the sentiment of the people as far as ILP is concerned.
Sir, we have written, and I have written letters to the Honorable Home Minister multiple times on the ILP. I have met the Honorable Home Minister and the Honorable Prime Minister multiple times on the ILP. I would like to know how many times have the Honorable Member met the Home Minister? How many times the LO has met the Honorable Home Minister?
I've not had the opportunity
Please
to meet because I'm
if
just
you
an
are serious
enemy.
about ILP, how many
I know
times
you
have
are not serious
How many
in
times have you
tackling. If you are
How many
serious,
times have you met?
If you are serious,
How many
if
times
you
have
go
you
to
met?
Delhi. Really serious.
How
If you are
many
serious,
times
go
have
to
you
Delhi.
Sir, to continue in my reply, so we have met Government of India multiple times. We have written to Government of India multiple times. And my question was that how many times has Honorable Member himself gone to Delhi to meet the Government of India and to Home Ministry? So this requires concerted efforts from all levels. And therefore, while yes, I understand that he has mentioned that it's a very important issue and he's multiple times spoken on it, I urge the honorable member, through you, sir, that pursue along with us in Delhi. They have a member of parliament. Pursue it in Delhi. Meet. Sir, organizations and NGOs have met. They have written. But honorable member himself has not written. But he mentions about this multiple times in the House. That's my only point. So we should practice what we preach is what I'm saying, sir. That's all. We should practice what we preach. We should be serious. And let me assure the honorable member and the House that we have not stopped pursuing the ILP. Let me make it very clear. We have not stopped. We are pursuing it. But we are looking at other mechanisms also. Is there a possibility? If we don't do that, then we are not serious about what we want to do. It's because we are serious. We are pursuing all possibilities. We are pursuing all possibilities. So that is what the point is, sir. And we will continue to pursue the ILP as well as continue to look at other mechanisms through which we are able to ensure that we are able to curb the illegal immigration that could be or in the future would take place in the state. We will find mechanisms and will continue to pursue. Thank you, sir.
Okay, I will not take up any more questions on this.
One more question, sir.
No,
One more question.
I'm very sorry. We
Sir,
have taken
I
up
think
so much time.
if the Honorable Chief Minister alleges me, so I need also to ask from him, how many times has the government take us into consideration and call us so that we can together move to Delhi? And for the benefit of the August House, I would like to tell you, sir, that our MP had raised this issue. So I have another question, sir. Why I'm saying that this government is not serious at all, though they keep repeating that they are serious. When the President of India, through his presidential order, adopt the Bengal Eastern Frontier Regulation Act in 2019, where they passed the resolution here, what was the government doing? Because this presidential order is unconstitutional according to Article 372, where, let me read out this portion. I don't want to take much time. Sir, nothing in clause 2 shall be deemed to empower the president to make any adaptation or modification of any law after the expiry of 3 years from the commencement of this constitution. So what has the government done? Has the government written to the government of India challenging this presidential order? So that is my question, sir. So all these make us to believe, sir, that the government is not serious. And I would love if the Honorable Chief Minister would invite us, would call us also to move together to fight. Because when you are giving the option to the government of India, now you are giving an option, ILP light. That means whether you give ILP or you don't give anyone resemble to ILP. That is a weak negotiation, sir. So let us negotiate in a better way, sir. If you really want to get ILP and bring ILP into our state, sir.
So the honorable member keeps saying that we are not serious. Sir, our seriousness is in the action that we take. The number of times we have written to Government of India. I repeat, how many times has he written? He is free to go and meet the Honorable Home Minister. If he was serious, he would have met at least once. So giving a speech and a lecture is great. But your actual actions, as our Honorable Minister, Mr. Sanbar Shulai keeps saying, that sir, we don't talk much, but we act. We believe in acting, in action. We believe in action, sir. We believe in doing the work. And therefore, we're doing, sir. Sir, we are very happy to have our opposition also to work with us. This is not a ruling party's issue or the opposition's issue. If you remember, sir, we had passed the resolution together in this house, as ruling and as opposition. So it is our duty to do this. And I request you pursue at your level also. We will also pursue. And if there's a possibility, we will go together. It will send a very positive message. So we are very much open to the ideas. But don't say, and don't use this house to put the blame on the government, saying that we are not serious about ILP. Sir, we repeat, we are very serious. But as a government, as I said, it is our responsibility to explore options. There is nothing wrong in exploring options, sir. And if we just sit still and just wait for the government, I'm sure the opposition would say, oh, the government is not serious, they're not pursuing anything, they're not doing anything. So we are doing. So our whole purpose is to find ways and means to have that mechanism in place to check into this real issue. And we will continue, sir, as I said, to pursue the ILP. Thank you, sir.
Sir. Sir.